3D printing can be a great way to create some pretty good looking panels for machines. The first example here in black and white is for Schablin 102 VM lathe. The panel is a two-color 3D print with a 14 gauge steel backing plate. I also wanted the inverter control panel in the front of the overall control panel, so made this little 3D printed bracket. It looks good. Let's see it in action. Here's another example, panel labeling for a small Acciera mill. Electrical panel is down below and low voltage wires goes up to the controls in the original mill control location. The last example is an electrical panel where I put the controls on the front of the panel and positioned it under a bench for a lathe. All the printing is done with a Bamboo Carbon X1 with their AMS filament server, which so far has just worked flawlessly. I hope that's of interest to some. Thanks for watching.